see your church packed during consecutive nights? Do you want your church to be the center of a community-wide outreach where people from the community come to pack your church to see an exciting, relevant program that's making an impact in schools, in businesses, and throughout your community? Then I've got the program for you. Hi, I'm Mike Benson. I'm the captain of the Conquerors International Strength Team. The Conquerors is a group of athletes, evangelists who travel all over the United States and all over the world. We use feats of strength like tearing phone books in half, blowing up hot water bottles until they explode, bending steel bars in our teeth. We use the feats of strength to captivate the attention of audiences worldwide. After we do this, we deliver a gospel presentation. We've seen literally tens of thousands of people come to the knowledge of the Lord Jesus Christ in the Conquerors Community Outreach event programs. Now, let me explain what a Conquerors Community Outreach event is. A Conquerors Community Outreach event can be a 3 or a 5-day program. What we do is we come into your community, and we start with the school assembly presentations during the daytime. We will go to the schools in your area and surrounding area, and we will offer the school a top-notch motivational type of school assembly program. We do feats of strength, and then we deliver a positive motivational message to the students. But we don't just give them a canned presentation. We will tailor-make that message to fit whatever administration wants to convey to the student body. During that presentation and that program, we'll invite the young people to come to your church or a neutral location within the community. We'll invite them to come and see a show where guys will break stacks of bricks. They'll bend steel bars, run through 2x4s, lay in beds of nails, and then at that presentation we'll deliver the gospel of the Lord Jesus Christ. The Conquerors International Strength Team is a ministry that has a proven track record. We focus on integrity on this team. We have zero tolerance policies on this team for things like steroids and other enhancing drugs. We've been to literally thousands of churches all across the United States in over 20 countries delivering the gospel of the Lord Jesus Christ. This is an organization that has an emphasis on doing everything that we can to represent the kingdom of the Lord Jesus Christ with integrity and with excellence. And so you can count on having a quality program in your community. You can count on that no matter what denomination you are at or what church you're at. We're a non-denominational ministry. We've been in every single kind of church that you can think of. So if you're wondering how would this program fit in with our church, well, let me tell you, if you want excitement, if you want passion, if you want to make an impact where people will be leaving your church going, wow, then you want to have the Conquerors at your church.
You know, these guys are awesome. They, made impact in our community. People got born again. Our church loves the group. I know Mike personally is a friend of mine. He, born again, just awesome. Him and his wife, family man. Committed to what the real thing is. The real thing is about reaching people for Jesus Christ. Not concerned about the money, not concerned about all these different types of things that you see a lot of groups really focusing on. What's in it for me? They're interested in what's in it for you as a pastor. The question being, would we have them back in? Absolutely yes. I was just in our city with one of the foundations in our city. Lots of money there. We were talking to them about doing a special project and raising money and doing some different things like this. They brought the Conquerors up. They said that they did a great job in our community. That is awesome. Did it reach just our church and our community? It far reached beyond and has hit the highest levels of social status in our community. What a deal. Does it make an impact? Huge impact.
Now you might be asking this question, what does an event like this take? What do we have to do to have this event in our community? What do we have to do to bring the Conquerors to our community? Well, this is a really awesome thing. The Conquerors Community Outreach event has no fee. That's right, that's what I said, no fee attached to it. We have a desire and a passion to bring the gospel of the Lord Jesus Christ to communities all over the country and all over the world. And we believe that people should not have to pay a fee to hear the gospel presented. So our policy toward a community outreach event is that we ask a church to pay for basic things, pay for the materials, like the bricks and the pans and the things that we'll be using during the event. We ask that you would take care of our lodging and feed us. That could be a costly endeavor in itself. We've got guys who are very big on this team. But we ask churches, hey, if you want to take up a love offering for us or give something out of your budget, that's up to you. But we do not require a fee to have a community outreach event. We've got business people in our community who support us and believe in what we do, and they send us out, and God takes care of our every need. If you would like more information, or if you would like to book a Conquerors community outreach event in your community, at your church, then I would advise you to get a hold of us as soon as you can and watch what we do in your community and watch how God moves.